In Java 17, we got few other new features also. These features are some minor code changes in JDK 17, which we won't see that much but are useful if you correspond with any of these features. First is API to access large icons. In Java 17, it introduced a new method in Java Swing in which we can display any icon with higher resolution. Here is the example for this new method. File system view dot get system icon, in which we can pass a new file object with dimensions 512, 512. Earlier, this method only takes a file object and it returns a icon object. Next, we have support for user-defined file attribute view on Mac OS. User-defined file attribute view class was introduced in file system in Java 7, but it was not supported for Mac OS. Now in Java 17, this function is also available for Mac OS also. Here is read and write example for this function. Next is system property for native character encoding. From Java 17 onwards, you can use the system property native encoding. It is used to retrieve operating system's default character encoding. We can use system.get property in which we can pass value native.encoding and it will print CP1252 on Windows, and on Linux and Mac OS it will print UTF-8. If you call this code with Java 16 or earlier, it will print null. Next is restore always strict floating point semantics. We have strict FP keyword in Java. It is used in class definition to make floating point operations within a class. It helps to make predictable result on all architectures. Since Java 1.2, we need to indicate this keyword in class definition. Now in Java 17, it is made a default feature and no need to use this keyword in class definition. We will get a warning like these strict FE is not required. Next, we got a new page for new API and improved deprecated page. This is the example of new page onward. It shows all new features grouped by version. This is the example of deprecated page which is updated now, and we can see deprecated features by their releases. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.